Hello everyone, it's Christina. Welcome back to Pick Up Vietnamese. Let's learn how to talk about the things in the living room today. Let's get started. Cái bàn, cái bàn, table. Cái ghế, chair. Cái đèn, the light. Cái tivi, TV. Cái đồng hồ, the clock. Cái điều hòa, the air conditioner. So one more time, the word cái is like the marker for the things, but sometimes you can omit it. If you want to talk about the specific thing, then you have to say cái. For example, cái ghế đó, that chair. Cái bàn này, this table. But if you just say bàn, ghế, it means table and chair in general. Let's learn some more things in the kitchen. Are you ready? Let's go! Cái muỗng, the spoon. Cái nĩa, the fork. Đôi đũa, chopsticks. Đôi means couple, so đôi đũa is a pair of chopsticks. Cái dĩa, the plate. Or you can also say cái đĩa and cái dĩa are the same. Cái chén, a small bowl. Cái tô is a big bowl. Cái ly, the glass. Cái tách, the cup. To ask what is it in Vietnamese, you have to know 3 words. Number 1, đây. Đây means here or this. Là is the linking word, just like to be. Cái gì is what. So put them together. Đây là cái gì? This is what. One more time. Đây là cái gì? Đây là cái nĩa. Đây là cái muỗng. Đây là cái tivi. Đây là cái bàn. Đây là cái ghế. Đây là đôi đũa. See, it's very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in more videos. Good Pick Up Vietnamese. And leave the comments down below what topic that you want to learn in Vietnamese. I'm gonna see you very soon. Tạm biệt mọi người. Bye bye.